We'll practice finding rational numbers between two given fractions and understand why there are infinitely many. Here's the problem. Find three rational numbers between 1/3 and 1/2 and explain why infinitely many exist. First, rewrite both fractions with a common denominator of 60. 1/3 equals 20/60ths and 1/2 equals 30/60ths. Any fraction with numerator between 20 and 30 works. For example, 21/60ths simplifies to 7/20ths. 25/60ths simplifies to 5/12ths. 29/60ths. Now explain why infinitely many exist. Between any two rational numbers, you can always take the midpoint. For example, the midpoint of 1/3 and 1/2 is 20/60ths plus 30/60ths divided by 2 equals 25 over 120, which simplifies to 5/24ths. Repeating this process never ends, so the rationals are dense. Infinitely many lie in any interval. The key idea is that rational numbers are dense. Between any two rationals, there are infinitely many others, and you can always find one by taking the midpoint.